Good day everyone, now it's time to learn the pronunciation of the consonant sounds t, t, as in the word to, and the d sound as in the word do. Let's begin. The t and the d sounds are classified as plus consonants. The t sound is voiceless and the d sound is voiced. These two consonant sounds are produced in an alveolar position. They are made by lifting the tip of your tongue towards the alveolar ridge. Now, when releasing the air coming from your lungs, you need to produce a little puff of air out of your mouth. T, t, d. Okay. Let's see first some examples of the voiceless t sound. Number one is the t sound in initial position. In this case, the t sound is going to be plosive. T. Examples: table, take, tea, tender, time, together, town, tunnel, 12. Number two is the t sound in medial position. Examples: active, chapter, distance, hotel, instead, maintain, style, until, yesterday. Now, when the t sound is in medial position, and it happens between the vowel sounds, the pronunciation of the t sound normally changes to a r sound. This is called the flat T sound. So in here we have two possibilities. Number one is to say ability, and the second one is to say ability, r, ability. Okay, number two. Beautiful, and beautiful. Number three. Duty, and duty. Next one. Exciting, or exciting. Little, or little. Meeting, or meeting. Next one. Pretty, also pretty. Sitting, and sitting. And the last one, waiting, or waiting. Okay, very good. And the last one is the t sound in a final position. When the t sound is in a final position in a word, its pronunciation could be reduced, stopped, or even mute. Listen to the examples. About, about. Confident, confident. Dust, dust. Eight, eight. Market, market. Point, point. Right, right. Update, update. Or update, update. Wait, wait. Now, the final t sound is also present in the pronunciation of the word tending ed. Examples. Booked, booked. Cooked, cooked. Finished, finished. Hopped, hopped. Laughed, laughed. Polished, polished. Rushed, rushed. Stopped, stopped. Wrecked, wrecked. Okay, very good. Now, putting that sound into sentences we got. We laughed a lot last night. We laughed a lot last night. After a while, he got up and left. After a while, he got up and left. The teacher told me to write it again. The teacher told me to write it again. Okay, let's go for the pronunciation of the voiced d sound. Number one is the d sound in initial position. Examples. Date, date. Day, day. Degree, degree. Despite, despite. Difficult, difficult. Discuss, discuss. Double, double. Dust, dust. Dwarf, dwarf. Okay, number two is the d sound in medial position. Addition, addition. Building, building. Credit, credit. Edit, edit. Leader, leader. Modest, modest. Reading, reading. Steady, steady. Update, update. Or update, update. Number three is the d sound in a final position. In here, it's going to happen the same as with the t sound. The pronunciation of the d sound in a final position is going to be reduced, stopped, or even mute. Listen to the examples. Abroad, abroad. Child, child. Field, field. Good, good. husband, husband, need, need, pyramid, pyramid, sound, sound, wizard, wizard. The D sound is also present in the pronunciation of the word ending ed in English. Examples: achieved, achieved, closed, closed, killed, killed, informed, informed, loved, loved, mailed, mailed, ruined, ruined, sweetened, sweetened, tried, tried. Okay, now putting the D sound into sentences we got. My dad made a wooden box. My dad made a wooden box. Students were asked to read aloud. Students were asked to read aloud. The dam was already 100 years old. The dam was already 100 years old. Okay, let's see these two consonant sounds in some minimal examples. Number 1, bad and bad. Number 2, side and side. Number 3, sent and send. Next one, to and do. And the last one, try and dry. Okay, easy. Now let's practice a little bit more now. Try to get the sounds right in the next examples. Example 1. Asked, asked, between, between, exit, exit, or exit, exit, letter, letter, or letter, letter, top, top, test, test. Number 7, daddy, daddy. Number 8, dime, dime. Indeed, indeed. Modern, modern. Understand, understand. And the last one, wide, wide. Very good. Okay, so the two alveolar glossal consonants, the voiceless ch, ch, and the voiced d, d sounds checked. Okay, that's all for today. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye for now.